You send a QR code to a bunch of homeowners, telling them to scan that QR code if they would like to get a automated response to the home value of their home, and they start scanning them. What do? Let's talk about it. I don't care what the method is that you send this QR code out, whether it's social media, whether it's via an email, whether it's via direct mail. It doesn't matter the method you send, but if you're sending these QR codes out to homeowners, asking them to scan it to get their home, an automated version of their home value, you have to take it the next step. Don't just sit back, let them scan it, get their automated version, and be happy and wait for them to call you. At a bare minimum, you're calling them, make sure they got their home value, and to see if they have any questions about it. If you don't have their phone numbers, use True People Search or one of these other searches to get that, because you're just following up on a service that they've already asked for. If you really want to rock this program, you would be showing up at their doorstep with an actual CMA. Because the automated value is one thing, but now I want to compare that to an actual competitive market analysis. Now, I wouldn't call it that for them. I call it more of like a home analysis report, something to that effect. So it's more their speak, but you really want to get something that breaks it down and gives them an actual number. Delivering it in person allows you to answer any questions and to find out why they were concerned or had a need to want to see their home value. So in person, door knock, always the best. If you have to leave it, if they don't answer the door, put it in a nice box, give it a nice presentation, something that you would be proud of, to leave at the doorstep with an explanation of why you're leaving it, and that this is something you did for them, no obligation, no cost. It's just something you want to make sure that they got a good valuation of their home. In lieu of actually going out and door knocking and trying to meet them face to face, you could send text. You could make that phone call. You could send an email if you have that. Whatever the information is, you could even follow it up with another direct mail piece, offering to meet with them somehow. Zoom is very popular nowadays, so you could say, "I would love to sit down with you and explain what is in this report, and to kind of like answer any questions about it." And that can all be done through a Zoom meeting if they're willing to do that. And worst case scenario, set up a phone call, send them a text, find out what days and times are available for them, and get them on the phone and have that conversation. Remember, this program isn't just about getting people the data. It's about interpreting the data, because this is a service, and what does it mean to them, and what do they need it for, and what are their plans to do with it. If they don't, no matter what you're going to do with this thing, you also don't forget to add them to your CRM, your database. They are now what we would consider a lead to some degree. You put them in there, tag them with what kind of a lead they are, their home seller, what's their time frame. If you don't know the time frame, put it in there. You don't know until you do. And you're going to want to set up a lead follow-up system so that you stay in touch with this person over a long period of time. You are now their real estate consultant. And so now it's your duty to make sure that they know how to reach you every time they have a real estate question. Hope you can use this for success, and keep rocking it.